Hey, what's up, guys? This is Jeff, and I'm doing my day trading recap. Today is Thursday, December 5th. I'm actually trading. I'm in a trade right now. I'm live, and I'm in work. Yeah, you guys get to see. I still have some shares left here. I'm looking to get to this 22.49 level here, and as you can see, I played this for a reversal. And I, basically got a really, really good move on this one. Yeah, as you can see, once it broke this level here of 21.97, I took it long with my stop here and essentially just rode it on the way up, as you can see on the 5-minute chart. I got all out once it cracked the whole dollar of 22, as you can see here on the 1 minute. And then I saw it consolidating here on the 5 and essentially um, building an ABCD pattern. Look at this beautiful run, consolidating. Once it made that new 5-minute high, it took it long, and I set a really tight stop right here below this 1-minute candle here. And as you can see, it's starting to work out here. So I took some partials on the way up on that momentum burst, and I'm actually going to take some off here at 30, 22.30. Let me see if I can get filled here. So I took some off there at 22.30. I'm gonna let the rest ride. I have my stop here, so I'm gonna exit out of this hard stop um, and set my new stop. Let's set it at the break of these here. Make sure I get this right. So perfect. Yeah, so I have my hard stop now at 22.06. Let's see if we can get to that 22.49 level there. It may or may not get there. I don't know, but yeah, I took a trade on work. I had some other trades that I took. Let me pull that up here. There it is. Yeah, let me see here. So I took a trade on AMRN. Let me pull this up on one other chart, that way I can see what's going on here on work. And I feel like work, this is just about to squeeze, and I feel like it could get to that 22.49 level. So we'll see if it gets there. And Yeah, let me see. So I took my first trade I took was on AMRN. And I took this prematurely. I had a long bias on this trade. I was looking for a red to green move here. And my buddy Dash on the Discord was telling me, he's seeing a reverse ABCD, and he was right. So I was long biased. I saw this thing reclaim VWAP here, and yeah, I took this long. I gave myself a fairly wide stop because I've traded AMRN in the past. Yeah, I set my hard stop right here, and you can see I got stopped out there. And then I took a trade on, let me see here, on Five and also on Facebook. Five, this one was a beauty. This was a 5-minute orb. I took it long. I was looking for a break of 126.37. Got there right before that break. And then it consolidated. I added more, and I was selling partially on the way up. So this is just basically a momentum scalp. Um, and um, and especially because I added to that position. But I had my hard stop right here, and for some reason, my hard stop did not trigger. And Yeah, I couldn't figure out why, so I gave some of my gains back, and I just got all out with my hotkey. So that was unfortunate. And then the same thing happened um, with Facebook, but essentially I tested it out here, and it did the same thing. But luckily, this is in simulation. But let me go ahead and explain this trade to you guys here with Facebook. So I took this long for a 5-minute orb. And yeah, once I got my 2 to 1, I started partialing. This is 50% and just selling 50% on the way up. And Once it started making this new 5-minute low, I just got all out. And then I wanted to test, and this is not a hotkey, so I mean this is just getting all out on my hotkey. And then I wanted to test to see if my hard stop was working, and I couldn't figure it out. So I took this trade on simulation, and again, it didn't stop me out. I put my stop right here, and it didn't stop me out. And then I just got all out, and then I figured out that I guess when I was taking the trade, I guess I don't, I it's either on a limit, or I think it was on a limit order. I don't know, but basically, I'm not sure if the hard stop is even working anymore. So I'm in this work trade and I'm a little nervous. So, but I might have to just take it off if it essentially doesn't quite get to that 22.49 level that I'm looking for. So, yeah, so those are pretty much the trades that I took today. And yeah, and I'm currently in work right now. So let me pull that up. Let me see if it's getting there. So, yeah, it's still there. So, um, I feel like we can get to that 22.49 level. And yeah, so if you see on the day that 22.49 level is the 50 moving average. You can see it swooping right there. 50 moving average. That's where I got that level. So, um, hmm, seeing if we can get there. Yeah, I think we're gonna get there. I think we're gonna get here. So, starting to get a nice little squeeze. Volume's kind of light though. No, don't really like that. But let's see if we can get some follow through. There it is. All right. Let's see if it's 42. Let me see here. So you know what? I'm just gonna get all out here. Let me see. So yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna get all out. I'm just gonna close this all out, exit from that position, and yeah, I'm all out. Close that position. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy that while I was in that live trade. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, feel free to leave it at the bottom. Other than that, I hope everyone had a great day.